The first thing I'm picking up today are these Anti-Bacterial Cleanse Hand Sanitizer Wipes. I actually found them on an end cap, like on a little hang tag. They are usually $2.99. They're 90% off. This week making these just 30 cents. And I really like these because these have the aloe in them, so they don't dry your hands out so bad. Great for the car. I'm gonna use them in my classroom actually, so pick these up if you find them. Another clearance item. This is that hand sanitizer. It's 29 cents. This is the aloe vera leaf kind. I'm gonna pick up a couple of these and put it in my treat box, but got tons of hand sanitizer and soap from the past couple transactions, but 29 cents pretty good considering it was $1.99 at the store. Also check your clearance section with the candy. Let me do it. They've got the Chucky Tins. My daughter was wanting these so bad, and they're $1.50 now, and I picked up both of these because she loves Chucky. We'll put this in our Christmas stocking. I know that sounds weird, but all the Halloween stuff is 50% off. Total freebie on the paparazzi nail polish today. Usually it's buy two, get $4 back. This one's going to make it totally for free. Usually, and because they are, if you buy one, they're $2.99, but if you buy two, it's $5. So total freebie here on the nail polish. I'm going to be making some little gift baskets. And trying to find some cute little girly colors I think my girls would like. These are pretty, very pretty. Free. So got like a 50% off deal on this Irish Spring soap, and I need this for my blessing bags because I like to take out the individual bars of soap and put one bar in the blessing bag. So these are 4 for $10, and when you buy 3 of the Irish Spring products you get $5 back. So it's going to make all 4 packs, which is 12 bars of soap, only $5. And that's pretty good because if you were to buy the big pack right there, it's $10.79. So you're getting this for half off, which is a great deal considering I really need these. So my brother is a nurse and he has to wash his hands a lot, and he actually has really dry skin from working. So he likes this Dove Anti-Bacterial protect skin from dryness. And he's allergic to other kinds of soaps. And he's been asking me, have you seen this? Have you seen this? And it's finally a good deal today. So what we're going to do is these are buy one, get one 50% off. So when you buy 2 of them, it's going to be about $7.34 each with the buy one, get one 50% off. So that's going to be about $14.68. And I'm going to try to use this $2.50 coupon. It expired this weekend, but I was told that we can still use these expired coupons. So we're going to see. I'm going to use 2 of these. So that's going to be $5 in coupons. So we're going to see. I'll let you know if it beeps or not. And then there is a $2 off coupon on the app. And then I also have a $1 Dove, and I'll post that up there so you can see it. So we have the $2.50 times 2. We've got the $3 in-store coupons. It's going to make these $6.68 or about $3 and let's see, 35 cents. So $3.35 down from $9.79 is a pretty amazing. We still have the paparazzi hand sanitizer on clearance. It's actually in the travel section, so look for it. My students loved this last week. When I brought it in, every single bottle was gone. So I'm going to pick up some more this week for them to put in the treasure box. I hope they enjoy it again. I love this deal. This is one of those no coupons needed deals. So the Gillette shaving cream right here is $3.59, but it's buy one get one 50% off. So if you were to do the math, 2 of them, each one will be $2.70. So you're going to get one of them at $2.70, another one that's going to make it $5.40, and then we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So no coupons needed. Going to be $5.40 when you buy 2, $5 extra care bucks given back to you. So you're only paying 40 cents or 20 cents per can of shaving cream. So 20 cents per can is a really great deal. Just walking by the makeup aisle, and they already have the beauty sets out. Yes, you know I love these beauty sets. Look at this one. This one's gonna be so cute. I love that one. Cannot wait. Gonna get all these babies for free. Ooh, that one's cool. Look at that one. It's got the nail dryer in it. I gotta have that for myself. Ooh, all that. Can't wait for Christmas. Ooh, look at this advent calendar. Didn't even see that. That's gonna be cute. Gotta get that for my girls. Cute, cute, cute. Love it, love it, love it. So this whole entire Wet n Wild Circus Savage display is 50% off. It's not marked, but I could tell because it kind of looked Halloweenish. And I went and scanned some things, and yes, it is 50% off. So I'm going to scan some things and see if I have any coupons on here. I do need some of these sponges, so I might be getting some of those, and that's going to be like $2.40 for those sponges. So we'll check my app real quick. All right, so I just checked the CVS app, and this is coming up for one free makeup item in the store, and I actually need this sponge, so I'm going to get this for free. It is only $2, but I need this really bad because mine is getting old. And it's purple, my favorite color. So check out, make sure you've loaded that. That's where I usually get the text message from every week from CVS. So make sure you have that loaded on your account. Hey Pressure Savers, if you are loving all these deals today that I'm showing you, please make sure you hit that smash button, notification bell, and subscribe. Also share with your friends because prices are just going up and we don't need to be paying for it. So this is my deal of the day, and if you have a deal of the day, please comment below your deal of the day so I know what you guys like to see. So this deal of the day is going to make these Head and Shoulders just $1 each. This is an amazing deal. Super excited about it because my husband uses this Head and Shoulders, and you can see it is pretty pricey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up 4 of these. When I pick up 4 of these, our total is gonna be $24 after we pick up 4 of those. Then we have this coupon that came out in the P&G this past weekend. It's for 2 Head and Shoulders products, so we're going to use 2 of these coupons. Now I've looked on the app, I do not see this coupon on the app, but you may have it. Sometimes they put it on there. So we're going to use 2 of these P&G coupons, which is going to be $6 in coupons, and this one came out for October 31st yesterday. So that's $6 off in coupons. And then we have $9 in CRTs on the app. There's a $5 and a $4 Head and Shoulders when you spend $20. So I'm going to use both of those. And then I'm going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So my total after my coupons, CRTs, extra care bucks is going to be $4 or $1 per bottle of Head and Shoulders. That's pretty amazing. All right, so this Secret Clinical Strength, I'm going to see if this double dips. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these. These are buy one get one 50% off. I've never seen it this low with coupons, so I'm kind of excited about it. And then so it's going to be $7.50 each, and then when you buy 2 it's going to be $15. So you have to buy 2. Then you're going to use this $4 off coupon that came out in the October 31st P&G on 2. And then hopefully we have a $3 off CRT, and then that same $4 off coupon on the app. So that's $7 in coupons on the app. Hopefully that second $4 coupon comes off. Hopefully it glitches and brings it down. Hopefully with the coupon that I have and the 2 on the app to $4 or just $2 each. So $2 each is great considering it was $10 in the first place. We're going to see if it works. I'll let you know if it doesn't work. I'm going to be getting some really high valued lotion for only $1.64 each. So we're picking up this one right here that's 16 fluid ounces and this one right here that's 5 fluid ounces because we need to get to a $20 threshold. So we're going to spend $20 on Select Eucerin and get $10 back. So what we're doing is we're picking up this $13.49 Eucerin, and then we're going to use this $3 off coupon that came out in the 1024 paper. And then we're going to pick up this small Eucerin is $6.79, but we're going to use this, let's see, yeah, this $1 off coupon. So right there at the bottom, because it's the 6 to 0.8 ounces. So that's $4 in coupons for that. So let's look at the math here. So if we were to pick up both of those, let's just say that both of those are $10.14 if you were to combine the totals, and that's going to be $20.28. We're using $4 in manufacturer coupons that we got from the October 24th paper, so $4 in coupons. And then we also have a $3 CRT on hand and body lotion. And then we're also going to get back $10 in extra care bucks after we make our purchase, making this just $3.28 or $1.64 per bottle. And this is like the really big bottle of this lotion. So you're getting both of these just for $1.64 each, or $3.28 together. Hey girl. Even though my store is out of the Monofoil, I wanted to share you the deal with you. We still have the Monofoil on sale. It is $9.99. You're getting back $9 in extra care bucks, making these just 99 cents. but we are all out right now. I do know there's a coupon on the Monofull website, but I'm not able to access that anymore. I've exceeded my limit, but if you have some Monofull in your store, please check it out. I usually find mine on the end caps. It's not usually with the cleaning products. I almost passed this deal on this Crest toothpaste. I can't even talk right now. This Crest toothpaste. We're picking up 6 tubes of this Crest toothpaste for only 32 cents per tube, which is really amazing considering I don't have any paper coupons, and this is all coupons I'm doing on the app. So what we're gonna do is we're doing this deal twice. So we're gonna be picking up 6 because this is a 2 per household. So picking up 6 tubes at $3.99 each is going to equal $23.94. Then on the app, I have a $6 coupon on the Crest and a $1 coupon, which is $7 in coupons. Then I have a $5 store coupon when you spend $20 on Crest products. Then we're going to get back this $5 times 2, so we're getting back $10 in extra care bucks, making this just $1.94 after our extra care bucks, store coupons, and our digital coupons, which equals to 32 cents per tube after all of that. Amazing. All right, so trying to work out my Colgate deal is pretty difficult because they're out of so many different things of toothpaste and they've been out. But I saw this Colgate Optic White Overnight Whitening Pen, and these are great Christmas gifts. So this is $36.99. Okay, when you buy one, you're getting $20 back. And you can do this deal twice, but yeah, we do have 2. However, there are a lot of CRTs on the app. There's a $5 off 30. There's another $5 off 30. There's all kinds of coupons on there. I'm gonna see if it works. I'm gonna try it at the kiosk and just try to work my magic on this. But if I can get this down to $6.99 after that $20 extra care buck and the $10 in CRTs, then I will be super happy. Let's see what happens. Hey praisers and savers, just got back in the car from CVS, my favorite store. That's where I get most of the things for free. I wanted to go over my receipts. I ended up spending about $28 out of pocket. But I got some amazing deals, and all these receipts at CVS is ridiculous. I know there's like always funny memes about all the receipts at CVS. All right, so I want to show you my first one because I'm so excited about this one. Okay, and I even took a picture and I'm going to put it up on the screen. Guys, what do you see? 100% savings. Ah! I love these receipts. These are my favorite. I paid $0.00 and got me a nice high five from the cashier. Gotta love that girl. She's so sweet. This was the transaction with that I got the wipes, the antibacterial wipes that were like 30 cents. I got the secret deodorant and the Eucerin lotion. And after the manufacturer coupons, everything worked great. Two things. So first thing is it did glitch. We did do a double dip, so I was able to use that $4 P&G coupon and use the $4 coupon from the app. Then there was a $3 off deodorant that I did not know about. That came off too. So that was a amazing thing. And so I was able to use that, extra care bucks, and some coupons for the Eucerin. We did have a problem with the Eucerin. Be careful. This is what happens. You know how when you go couponing, the Tides can sometimes interact with each other. So if you get a big bottle of Tide, you need to scan the big bottle of Tide and then the coupon. Then scan the little thing of Tide and then the coupon, because sometimes they will counteract with each other. And that's what happened with the Eucerin. So it would not work. The $3 off coupon would not work. So she took both Eucerins off. She rang up the big Eucerin and the $3 coupon, and the small Eucerin and the $1 coupon worked fine. Because they do that. They cross match each other and it becomes a mess. So that total was $52.22 for that receipt. Let's keep going. So my next receipt, I spent $7.88. This is the receipt that had the Colgate, the Crest. Yeah, it was the Crest product. So we got the Irish Springs, all 4 of the Irish Springs worked fine. And then we got all of the Crest toothpaste that we got, the 6 of them, remember? And then the 2 Gillette shave creams. I also bought 2 reusable bags. I usually try to buy reusable bags when I'm in there because they're 99 cents and they have the best bags. This time they had like little sunflower bags, so I was excited about that. So I got 2 of those bags just to put everything in. So if I didn't get those bags, it would be $5, but I always do. The Oral Crest products, the $6, the $1, the $5 came off. Now, remember I said I wanted to try to use both of those $5 coupons? They both did not come off. Now, if they both would have came off and I didn't use reusable bags, it would have been totally free. But both those coupons did not come off. So just one of the $5 off 20 came off, but that's okay. Still did a great deal on that. So here is my total. With the coupons, it was $7.88, and everything applied just like we talked about. If I didn't get the 2 reusable bags, it would have been cheaper than that, but I did get those. All right, and then our last receipt, and this is the one I paid the most for, but I also have extra care bucks for my next transaction, of course, to go for next time. On this receipt, this is where I got the Head & Shoulders. I had some of those little 50% off Halloween things. My daughter got I got her little Chucky Tins, and then I also got the face cleaner thing. Let's see. I got all that hand sanitizer for my students. I bought like 5 each. And then I got the Dove body wash for my brother. And the paparazzi nail. So all of that came off just fine. No problem whatsoever. I did get to use the free cosmetic item on the little spongy brush. So that was great. Only one of the $5 Head & Shoulders came off. So that's what my total was kind of messed up a little bit. I wish it would have. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. $2 off 2 select Dove, and then $1 off Dove came off. And then I had $2.50 coupons for the Dove too. And so it could have been lower. It should have been lower, but it didn't glitch like I thought it was. So I've got to take that off my total. So everything was $27.33 for that. And there are all the coupons there. I'll leave it up for a moment. So my total today, let me see what my total today is. Got my total for the day. I had to add that up. So my total for today was $208.70. So $208.70. And I only paid, if I have the 27 and the 7, I paid $34. So that's a really great deal considering I got a lot of things that I need, my family needs, things for my treasure box for my students. Really excited about that toothpaste. Gonna be making some blessing bags with that Irish Spring bar soap and the toothpaste as well, and so excited to have that nice Eucerin lotion to stock up for the winter because it is cold and we are dry. So I'll be saving all these nice coupons and these extra care bucks for next week. All right, guys, I'll be heading to Publix on Wednesday. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. In the screen, you'll see that my IBOTTA link is there. So please click on that IBOTTA video to learn how to use IBOTTA and how amazing IBOTTA is for all of your shopping needs, because you don't need coupons. It's just scan it at the store and you get money back. So check it out in the end screen. You'll see it. All right, guys, thanks. See you next time. Bye.